Okay, in today's video, we are going to be doing the Blink Wink box. This is for August 2022, and this is the first time it came in a box, and it's a little, messed up, but I'm sure everything inside is okay. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money, then keep on watching. All right, really quickly, let's talk about this eye look. Oh my goodness, it was so funny. So today's Sunday when I'm filming. It is 11:47 in the morning. And if you don't know, I always watch church online. It starts about 12:30. So I'm like, let me set my alarm so I can film some unboxings. And then I do vlogs on my second channel. So if you don't know, I have a second channel called Just Anne's World. I'll leave it down in the description box. And I do car vlogs, walk and talks. I try to take you around South Jersey so that you guys, and like take you on nature trails. And the last one was me and Isaiah. And we had a good time. We found a abandoned mansion from the 1700s and stuff. You ought to watch that video. And the scenery was beautiful. I'll leave it down below. Anywho, so I know I was going to vlog today, but I'll do that after church. So I said, let me go ahead and get up early and film some unboxings, right? Because I haven't filmed for a while on this channel. So my point is, I know I make a long story short. I always make a short story long. I was like, you know what? Let me go in with kind of a neutral kind of look because I'm going to be doing vlogging, outside and stuff. So I thought, all right, let me use the Jeffree Star Orgy palette because I haven't used this in a while. And regardless what anybody thinks of them, I have the palette. I'm going to use it. You know what I mean? I paid the money for it. So if you don't know, this is what it looks like. Okay? I usually use this for transition shades to deepen up the outer corner, but it's an all matte palette. So I always have to go in with a different palette for a shimmer shade. So I chose the Jawbreaker out of all palettes. And this is what she looks like. And I wanted to go in. This is one of my favorite shimmer shades. It is called Jawbreaker. And that's what it looks like. And it's kind of like a duochrome. It's a peachy pink. Very pretty. But when I put that on, I was like, oh, I don't know. Let me go on with some oranges. And I was like, that's too orange. Let me go on with the red, then a burgundy. And before you know it, it came out like this. I like it, but it was not the look I was planning for. So let me know down below, has that ever happened to you? You think you're going to go like a light look, and before you know it, full-blown smoky look. And this is how we're going to do the vlogging today. Okay, so like I said earlier, it came in a box, so I'm going to use my knife and cut her open and see what she looks like. I believe this is $32.99, and what the Blink Wink box is, it caters all to the eyes, so that's pretty cool. Ooh, okay, I see why it came in a box, because not everything fit in there, so you do have the regular Blink Wink box. Alrighty, so let me take everything out. Wow. I keep telling you, these newer subscription boxes, like the indie ones, are so good. Alright, so this is what the Blink Wink box looks like. It's like holographic, very, very pretty. And then there's two things that we got on the outside. So let's go over, let me see if there's a card in here really quick. Oh, it's taped. Okay, let's cut her open. Alright, so I don't see a card, so let me just show you really quickly. So this is the Manicadar Beauty Lash Glossary. I guess this is a whole bunch of lashes. Like I said, this is for the eyes. So let's see. Holy crap. Okay, so you don't get a mirror, of course, but you get 18 lashes. Let me see if I flip it up like this, but then I don't know if you'll be able to see them. Look at that. I know the ring light is, wow. Now, I don't wear lashes, okay? But my daughter does, so I'll give these to her. She likes the dramatic ones. I'll keep the smaller ones because I keep telling you, I know, I haven't done it yet. For like 3 years, I want to try lashes. But, 18 pairs of lashes? Let me make sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18. Wow. That's amazing. Okay. And then from Manicador, you get a full brush set. And Manicador is pretty expensive. Now, do I think they're worth the price? I mean, they do have their hits and misses, but these are expensive items. And you even get a brush cleaner. So you get what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes and a brush cleaner. I mean, I know I keep throwing Boxycharm and Ipsy up, but they don't even do this. And they're about, you know, the Ipsy Plus is about the same price. Now, like I always say, Boxycharm and Ipsy, you know, they have higher end brands and stuff. Let's be real. They really do. But I mean, for a small indie subscription that basically just started a few months ago, that's not bad. Okay. So now let's see what is in the box. All right, I love the packaging, how there's like a little mirror right here. I think that's so cute. All right. And there's still a bunch of stuff inside of here. Okay, so I got everything out. So the first thing is from Oakland. And what you be? Perfect liquid liner. Okay, so you guys know I don't use liquid liner, but this is in the shade Coffee. So it's not black. And the only reason why I don't use liquid liner is because I tell you all the time, I'm not good with wings. I've tried and tried and tried, and I cannot do wings. And I don't make a small enough line on the top. And because my eyes are a little bit smaller, then you can't see the shimmer shade. So it's a me thing, you know. But I really need to actually start, at least try, you know. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it up because I'm going to put it in a future giveaway, of course, unless I decide to use it. But I just want to show you it's like glittery like. It's very pretty, the packaging. The only thing I wish is it comes with a card. That's the only thing I say about these boxes, you know. All right, so then you get 3 of these things. What are you? So these are lip pencils from Be Bella. Okay, so this is in the shade Opal. Let's take you off. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That's like a purplish color. This is the texture. You can use this as a lip liner or eyeliner. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it's eye safe. I'll put everything in the description box. I'll look into it, but wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so we have that. This is Orchard, not Opal. Okay, this is Raspberry. And I like it when, I always tell you, I like it when you can sharpen it up because it's more sanitary. This is pretty too. Look at that. Okay. And then we have Cappuccino. Ooh, this is going to be my favorite. I can tell you already. Yes, this is right up my alley. Right there. I know it's brownie, but I always go in, I keep telling you I'm in like that 90s look. I go in with like a deep, like burgundy or brownish color, and then I go in with like I always do like custom lips. I go in with a couple lipstick shades, you know, and then a lip gloss. So I like this. Alrighty, so we have that. And then we have 2 palettes. Okay, so the first one is from Oakland, right there. So let's take this off. There's the back. So this is a 12 color eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, let me take that little thingy off. All right, so you have a mirror, but look at these shades. And then look at the, what do you call that embossment? Like the print inside? Okay. You know we got to swatch some. Okay, so we have 3 mattes, and then I did a shimmer. Let's see. 1 swatch. Look at that blue. Look at the green. These are all just 1 swatches. Look at that orange. Wow. Okay, this is a shimmer shade. It's on my pinky, so look at that. That's gorgeous. I always have stuff all over my shirt. Okay, I should check before I start filming. All right, and then last but not least, we have, oh, I think this is from Cara Beauty. And this is the Duo, Cara Duo. Free Spirit and Free Heart. Oh, so it's like 2 palettes. Okay. So it's tape, so they must come apart. Or I don't know, let's see. Okay, so they don't come apart. All right, but when you open her, oh, let me just, I'm so excited to even show you the packaging. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. So it looks like this. So it's 1 palette, it's just separated. All right, let me take this piece off. All right, so you get 2 mirrors. I'm just gonna fold it like this so I don't blind you, but look at that. Ooh, okay, so let's swatch from the first side. This is like the burgundy reddish side. Okay, so there we go. Wow, this is good too. Okay, look at that. So here's 3 mattes, and this is like a shimmer. Now, I tell you I don't like pressed shimmers in a palette, but that's a personal preference. I use this side right here, but that's not bad for 1 swatch. Okay, so now I'm going to do like the bluish brown side. Okay, so this is a regular shimmer. Here are a couple mattes. I just want to see the pigmentation. Wow. I'm going to go in with that shimmer shade because I have it on my pinky, and that's a me swatch. So let me just go in again. Okay, so there we go. It starts here. I went in twice there to see if it was buildable, twice here, only because the swatch, because it's my pinky, but look. Not bad. I like the fact with these indie subscriptions that they put in indie brands. Do you know what I'm saying? Because these smaller companies, they don't get any love, and a lot of them went under with COVID and stuff. So that's why I also root for the indie subscriptions, because they help their own. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't know, I just really like it. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the Blink Wink box for $32.99, so $33. So you have a palette, which is really 2 palettes in one. Then you have this palette from Oakland right there, which I think the Oakland palette swatched better. Then we have 3 lip liners right here, but you can also use them, I think, I'll leave it in the description box, but the way that they feel the texture, I don't know if they're eye safe, so I don't want to tell you use them on the eye. I mean, I would, but don't do as I say, not as I do. You know what I'm saying? But I'll leave it in the description box. We have liquid eyeliner in coffee, not black, so that's pretty good. And then we have a full, like a brush set, 6 brushes and a brush cleaner. And then we have 18 lashes. Holy crap. Like, I can't get over this. I know I keep saying it, but I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you. Slay Glam box, Blink Wink box, Ice Cream Beauty box. I mean, they are killing it, you know? They really are. So, I don't have anything bad to say. The only thing is I don't wear liquid liner, but that's a me thing. You understand? Or lashes. But I do know that this subscription, you're always going to get lashes. Okay? So, but I think it's a great box. Let me know what you guys think. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. It is free to do. It helps out with engagement. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you like it? Do you not? Do you get it? Let me know, because you know your girl is nosy. Don't forget about my second channel. I will be vlogging today. So I don't know if that'll go up today or tomorrow, but definitely check out the vlog with me and Isaiah. We'll leave it down below. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Wow, I cannot get over these indie subscriptions. I just really can't. I can't. So good. Yes, they are.